Are you recording this for me?
I'm recording. I'm recording.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's
Still rolling. Action.
Hello, Ghana. Remember my father, McBrown's kitchen. And I share, you have been no idea. Nana, when they woke up back in the days, into now today, let's share McBrown's kitchen, my
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Hey, Fran! My name is President Ghana. You see, I never said.
Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here?
Kitchen, Adiana Pa, Salamo, Ed, DJ, come on, take me back. Hit me, let's go. Goodbye, no problem. Let's go. Yes. I know what you're trying to say. I never knew that. Yes.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know.
Hello, Abusiafo. Welcome to another episode of the Behind the Scenes of McBrown's Kitchen. And there you were the legendary Ghana's just a rap software. It's none other than Yen Kasa Yen Obrafour. Obrafour Patriotis.
Nyamiado.
Na ene edin edo ba yen kitchen ha say.
McBrown kitchen there say obia person ba ha bi. And say ene nyame ma kwan say ne memra kitchen na me so me hu na onko McBrown kitchen na he na obeko.
Ampa nti utimi ba McBrown's kitchen ohu ne say.
I think say award na mu winning and mu deserve it was a munya de bro sir. I say show no very interesting bibia wo show no so kama uwie so achede pudu de chewa ma de akofi kama pa nti me boma baso wo de mu ye dwumadi a mu de me senya me se wo mama hoden ene nkwatintin na munkoso a na mu ni dwuma mu de na nika pa.
That was say. Na ene aduane be na obe no aman.
Ene de me de muko munchi tete aduane na me no a ahabaire ene amoko ene kobi ntino wa wani tua kama pa na minim se aduane no kra de sa mi wie ya me kama no me hu se o we ya nananom we ya nanom de interesting say ekoyi pa
papa me kama no hwe aduane ni koyi papa me ndi me de anwie nti me wi a me kwa ko finish na oba so ye crew ni je say nipa wa ha hu ye say
they met me aka say obia wo ha no enim botai nti o ha enti emma adwuma no nye den obiara nim de woye nti bibia de da na kwan mu kama nti me bo crew no enso abaso dwumadie nyina wo hu da bia yi edom a etechi ene de moaye nhihye bia wo na kwan mu anye se we na we wo se we da ha na we na ha bibia da na kwan mu moaye ade pa me bo mabaso
yeah, that was a pan so legendary Obrafour na wetimi aba your set way so abe gracie and with your presence. Thank you so much for coming. That was a pan. Said the omote no Obrafour and ene obenu aduane ma yen oye asobaye ekoye papa ti said ye ne da no next week so mun tune in na mun share yen me amigdi dwumadi ani me ye frame Miss Flavour. And my camera guy so jenche ni ayi ono so ne face ne Instagram ni ayi Instagram mo follow no na yes no there it said you see fire no to me da mo asepa asa mo share yen. Thank you very much.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.